And it is.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous.
Alright yo, welcome back to the channel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Now today we are doing a video where I think is long overdue. Today we are gonna do what I eat in a day, and basically it's all plant-based stuff. So hope you guys enjoy. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, whatever you need to do. And of course, we start off with a bottle of room temperature water always, and feel for like a coffee. So you know, some plant life coffee. Yeah, so today we're gonna have first breakfast. I'm gonna be pancakes, meatless beef, and of course we're gonna put some PB Fit peanut butter powder, some banana, and of course some dark cocoa in it. Well, not dark cocoa. So you know, that get a little flavor, get a little taste. So we could go run it and I'm gonna show me I do. So before we drink coffee or anything else, daily supplements. Show them. We have Vital Recharge. This is good for energy, your metabolism, and overall just give you a positive feeling throughout the entire day. We have Green Vibrance. We get this from the vitamin shop. We got 25 billion probiotics, and of course help with the immune system, digestive, blood circulation, and overall nutrition. And we have some super fruits. So I normally take this, and this together. And oh, I forgot. Voila! Moringa leaf powder. You see me? If you go up to the island, you know about moringa leaf, and you know about what next one name again? Moringa and soon tell you what name.
Oh my god.
Soon tell you what name. But yeah, of course with the B12. I've been on B12 since I caught COVID. So I'm taking it. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is really good just the same. Fenugreek is good with your testosterone levels. There was a research that was done. Not sure how true it is, but we're gonna go with it. Since Google say I saw it go. So fenugreek help with the testosterone, blood circulation, and also help with stress. So that's something good. Of course, we still take our Ultimate 10 Plus probiotic, digestive health, immune support, respiratory health. All this shit I'm taking is good for you. Ashwagandha, same shit, help with energy. It's all vegan too. Helps with energy, helps with stress, helps you to stay calm, all that. Apple cider vinegar. From you a kid, your parents tell you, drink this. But we take the gummies instead. It's 120 gummies. And yeah man, basically all these shit do the same thing. Not shit, but yeah, all these stuff do the same thing. And of course, we're always stocked up on fruits. And yeah. But that's it. And it is. I take 2, and this really helps with your testosterone. You know, you make it. Let me. So I take 1 now.
You taking now?
All right, meal number 1. We have pancake, banana, avocado, and some meatless beef with some sugar-free ketchup. Now agave is like a natural sweetener. If you guys know agave. Use agave for a million things, and especially making tequila. So if you guys are tequila drinkers, you have a lot of agave in tequila. Anyway, this is agave syrup. So We just sprinkle some of this bad boy over here. Taste testaruski. Nothing better like. And of course, we're gonna leave the calories, protein, everything that comes with this meal. And this is just meal number 1. Alright? So, see you later. Okay, so now we're on meal number 2. And meal number 2 is very simple. We have Ezekiel bread. It's something that you have to keep frozen, but it's a really good bread. So, of course, we're gonna put half a banana. So, shazam, bam, bam. And of course, we're gonna use some peanut butter. So, if you guys are asking, hey, how you know it's 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and you're really using a freaking knife? Because I know how the spread looks. I've been doing it for so long, I'm pretty sure I know how it looks. I'm not prepping for a show, or I just wanted to put on more size, and now I'm trying to cut it down a little bit. Make this in a peanut butter sandwich and banana, and you go. This is the best bread you can find in the world, to me. So this right here is a very balanced meal. You want to feel like you eat something and you don't want to feel bloated. This is the best thing to take. So after this, we're gonna go to the gym. We're gonna hit some arms, and we're gonna come home for meal number 3. So stay tuned. So now we're here. And we are on meal number 3. It is, anyway, we have 4 ounces of white rice, 4 ounces of curry chickpeas. We have a handful of spring mixed veg, and we have some vegan ranch all over, along with 4 ounces of avocado. All right, and of course, like I said earlier, all the nutrition, all the macros will be on the screen. You know, people are bomb rush equipment there, man.
I don't think no. You think a lot of people is there right now?
After 8, so more than likely. Don't be good. I need a friend out here. Eh? I need a friend out. Big good. Nobody will believe that. What mean? You really say my belly alright, man? Your belly alright, sure. You really say belly alright? I need to get the 6 pack. There's nothing alright with your belly.
So why you guys gonna drive 2 cars?
I want carrier drive.
Oh.
Yeah. I have a personal chauffeur, you know, named Biggs. When you teach this man how to drive up here, this man don't want to give nobody steering wheel. So here we do. I get some arm workout done. Simple and fast. So I don't want to show for me around, you know. Alright, then so.
Drive the vehicle, I not show for you.
So that way I go do. I'll get some short some arm workout, and then we'll come home for some food. And from there, me washing belly on the meal there. Jimmy. And if you don't ask, I put avocado in everything. So don't watch that. Alright, so we are at the Wellness and Fitness Center. New gym. It's kind of small, but lighting is way better than where we used to go, I'll tell you that much. But we're gonna start off with some dumbbell curls. I already got a warm-up set, so I'm gonna try to go as heavy as I can. And when me say that, I'm gonna stop at 25, because it's not how much weight you can lift, it's about your reps, you know what I mean, and your time and attention. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, got a whole bunch of stuff coming. So yeah, this is a full day of eating and training arms. Hope you guys like the video so far. So let's get into the workout, of course. You have 3 rules to the gym. Get a pump, take off the pump cover, then fuck up some weights. Alright, so for me, whenever I'm doing arms, I like to do dumbbell curls, then I like to do dumbbell hammer curls just to make it fun. So I think put a lot of tension in your bicep. So here we go. the tips with dumbbell curls. Some people have it. Let's go like this. Take your time. Come up. Twist your wrist. So it's like you're turning your pinky to your face. Alright, the opposite side of your face. Boom. 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 Oops. Boom. Yeah, don't come here and do like you look stupid when you do it. I don't feel like I'm pumping enough to take off my hoodie.
Huh?
Look buff enough?
If you look buff?
Yeah.
Very buff.
Alright. No, that sounds weird. Ready? Wife that look my see this and say, what? Man feel buff? Ready?
Yeah.
Come here. Find a good playlist. I feel like I listen out all the Afrobeat them song. I know I can't find a playlist to enjoy myself in my gym. You see me, boys? I go on some Valiant. See if I can book a skull from North Carolina. You see me? No, Chronic Law. Mega Day Crime. Boom. See, me can do as much upper body workout as me want because me have legs too much. So unlike some people don't have calves or legs.
That's why I want to do CrossFit. So, yeah, that's
about
why.
that.
Yeah.
Eat that tea and doggy. If you can't superset your bicep, you're a bitch.
Come, flex your muscle, make we see.
Eh?
If you flex your muscle, make we see pump.
So listen, before we even leave the gym, I want you to click subscribe right here, so I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to share. We're in a bulking stage, so I watch your facts, I'm fat. But
So this is fat?
yeah. Honestly,
Wow, look at fat.
honestly,
Look
I
at fat.
kinda like the new gym setting. The lighting really good. Like the other gym is bigger and probably have a little bit more equipment, but this is a good gym too. It's convenient because it's close to which part we live. Yeah, we work with this. We work with this. You see me? So we're gonna pack up, we're gonna do some cardio and head out, you know? So here what's gonna happen right now. I'm gonna leave the gym. I'm gonna get me some impossible meatballs, some pumpkin rice, wifey balls. But like, comment, subscribe, and put them on the pump cover and get out of here. Oh, great. See that? You have to have a certain level of skill to do that. You can't find a driver.
The driver left us stranded.
I bet you say $1 to go get something for him. So the man can't name me, see man.
Before the driver come to the gym.
See me like car. You see me, I call him. Brother, no long me I call him. Right, and for the final meal for the day, we have 4 ounces of broccoli, 4 ounces of pumpkin flavored rice, white rice, and we have some black beans. Simple, nutritious, and it is mine. So this is what we have. We have protein shake. We have this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And if y'all want to know me make these things, just shoot me a comment. You see me? You can add me on my socials, Instagram, whatever, and I'll teach you guys. I'll send the recipe to you. It's really simple, you see me? And flavorful. We're still in the seasoning them to what we use. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.